Hi everybody, Stephen Aitchison here with another update for FibSwap. I just want to show you after this kind of recent fall that we've had, why this is not a bad thing. This is actually a good thing. We need this because the markets can't keep going up forever. So I wanted to show you something with the Fibonacci retracement kind of tool. So with the Fibonacci retracement tool, we're going to go from the bottom from when this kind of move first started. So we're talking about the bottom here. We're going to calculate it at the top. This is the very peak, it's the wick. And we're going to come down and look at the different Fibonacci levels. If you've never used this tool, experienced traders use this tool all the time to look for positions that's going to bounce from, or possibly positions to get in on, or resistances. So it's for support and resistances, and these are the kind of areas that they're looking at. So the most important level that most traders look at is going to be around about this level here. So it's called the golden ratio pocket. That's what it's called. So Fibonacci retracement is a golden ratio at the 0.618 or the 61.8% level. And this pocket here, which you can see in purple, is the pocket that a lot of traders will be buying the Fib tokens. They'll be looking at it. There's enough volume in this for experienced traders to look at. If you're a long-term investor, these charts don't really matter. If you're long-term, you don't need to look at the charts. You could come back next week or next month, a couple of months' time, but you don't need to look at the charts. You know where it's going, and you don't need to worry about too much else, to be honest. So we've kind of climbed all the way up to here to nearly 1.4 cents for FibSwap, and then we've had a retracement. You can see here of around 55%, which is totally natural. You see it with Bitcoin all the time, you see it with Ethereum all the time, and you're going to see it with smaller projects as well than Bitcoin and Ethereum. This has grown a lot. So it's grown to $60 million market capitalization, fully diluted. It's much smaller than that. If it's not fully diluted, we're talking about 20 million market capitalization. But we've fallen to the perfect level just now for this, the golden ratio pocket. So you can see we've bounced off that a couple of times. So it started falling yesterday. We kind of wicked below it, but we're on a 4-hour chart. I'm using a 4-hour, and we're looking at the closing prices on the 4-hour chart. So it's bounced a couple of times off this level here, which is round about the 0.06 level. That's 0.6 of a cent. And I'm expecting it to bounce from here again on a 4-hour. I don't think it's going to close below here. Now, if it does close below it, we may go down to the 0.78 level or the 78.6% level on the Fibonacci retracement, which is round about 0.4 of a cent. I don't expect that to happen because a lot of traders will see this retracement and start trading in here again. And this is a problem just now. If you're panicking or you're worried about this, I wouldn't worry at all. This is totally natural, and actually I breathed a sigh of relief when I seen this, because it's just unnatural when you see it going up and up and up and up and up and up all the time. So there was like 20 candles in a row that just kept on going up, apart from a couple. So this is good that this happened. This makes it look more natural for traders coming in, looking at this as well, for investors coming in, which is more important. So this is good, and I think from here we're going to see a bounce back up to previous levels. Now there is the Fibonacci extension tool. I can do another video on that, and I've given levels of that before as well, where we should be going, but we should be going up to 5 cents in the short term fairly soon. And I would imagine after the launch of the DEX, everything works okay, we should be going 5 cents rather soon, which is a 10x from here, something like a 10x from here, and expected to go up even more from there as well. So if you're thinking, oh my god, this is going down 55%, trust me, it's natural. We've been in this game for 4 years. The investors in this FibSwap, traders in FibSwap are totally different. They're just trading it short term. That's who's kind of crashing the price just now. That's what's crashing the price, and just market in general. This tends to happen. So I wouldn't worry about it if you're an investor, and I wouldn't start panicking at all about this. Okay, until the next video. Namaste. Take care. Bye now.